Do you want to learn how to use SAM2, which is Segment Anything 2 by Meta AI? In this video, I'm going to help solve that problem. So first, head over to aidemos.meta.com, and inside here, you're going to find these demos. This one is the first one. This is Segment Anything 2. What this basically does is allows you to create video cutouts and add some fun visual effects on it. So I'm going to show you how it works. Click on it, and it's going to take you over to this page where you will be able to see a demo of how it looks like in action. Now let's click on this Try It Now button. Now here's a demo and we can play around with it. For example, it says click an object in the video to start. We are going to click the soccer ball like this. On the left, we have select objects. The object 1, inside it, you have got add and remove. So what this does is if you click on add, you can add more areas of this object. For example, I can click here and it's going to take in this part as well. And then I can click on the other part like this and it's going to take that part as well. Then you can click on remove and remove these objects from here like this. And if you click on these circles, you can remove them. Now you can also add another object by clicking on this button and then add somewhere on the scene. For example, this one, this tree over here. Now I'm just going to select the soccer ball and click on track objects, and it's going to start tracking that soccer ball from the scene and it's going to separate it. Now click on next and you will see add effects. You can click on surprise me and it's going to add those effects automatically. And if you keep clicking on it, it's going to give you more of these effects applied automatically on it like this. Okay, that's great. You can basically add a background. It's going to remove that background and then you can just add another background. That's good. And one more thing you can do is like with these selected objects, you can click on these effects. For example, the spotlight, and it has these 6 options in it. So I can click on it and keep changing these effects, the spotlight effects like this. And each of them has more options. For example, in burst, it has 4 options. So I can keep clicking on it to change these effects. The emojis, I'm going to change it to original because I'm not liking that one. So changing it to original. And even in the original, you can have 3 options like this. Okay, in emojis, I can change it 6 times, 6 different options. There's overlay as well. Once you're done with this, let's click on next. And you can download it or get a link so that you can share it with someone. Now below it, we have try another video. This was a demo video. You can also upload your own video or browse gallery. Here, they have these videos that you can use to play around with it. And that's it. This is how to use Segment Anything 2 by Meta AI. You're going to find a playlist on the right, which is going to pop up. Inside it, I've got tutorials on all 3 of these other AI tools that is by Meta AI. Check it out. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and comment.